Okay, so the first one, if you circle the particle, they're all the same, but this is a compound. And because they're all the same, you would have labeled this one B. They're all the same compound. Number 2, you circled 2 different ones. These are elements, but they're 2 different elements. So what is that?
Mixture of elements.
Good. C, mixture of elements. Number 3, you have an element. Even though there are 2 particles bonded together, they happen to be the same color. So that's your element. This is your compound right here. So we have a mixture of elements and compounds, E. Number 4, here's a compound, here's a different compound. Mixture of compounds, D. Number 5, they're all the same, and they are elements, so you would just say A, element. Number 6, compound. They're all the same compounds though, so then this just happens to be B, a compound. Number 7, there are 2 particles there, but they are the same color, so that represents an element. So 7 is A. Number 8, here's an element, here's a different element, oh, and here's a compound. So we have a mixture of elements and compounds, E. 9, element, element. Good. Mixture of elements, because they're 2 different ones. 10, compound, element, E. Compound, oh, they're all the same compound, so B. Now 12, that's a compound. You have 2 darks and 1 light, but over here you have 1 dark, 2 light, so there's actually 2 different compounds. They made a slight change, and that's where you have to be careful when you look for the colors. So you have a mixture of compounds, D. 13, 2 different compounds, so it's a mixture of compounds, D. 14, what'd you guys say that one was? D. And then 15? D. Good. All right, put this in your classwork section of your binder.